Lord Vader. Yes, Admiral. We are fast approaching an asteroid belt. Asteroids do not concern me, Admiral. Hi everybody, it is Kayjay from Metro Hobbies, and today I'm here with a brand new release. I'm looking at the Darth Vader Meditation Chamber. That is set number 75296, and it comes with 663 pieces. This is one of those sets that are designed to appeal to the adult collector with its lovely 18 plus classy box, which reminds me very much of the Helmet series in terms of the way that they're presenting that. On the front of the box, I guess like all pictures and all videos, you go, oh, okay, I know what it is, but I can't really see what it would be like in real life. So I've gone ahead and built it, of course. It is a very relaxing build with some really cool little techniques. So for example, on this little stem here, there's just a little ball and socket that holds it in place. It's actually just held up by friction and tension, in fact. So that's not being held up by any gears. It's just that there's like a little ball and socket that rests inside on the Technic part in the back. There's all these balls and it just sits on it, and then the tension allows it to hold in place. And that allows you to lift and drop the meditation chamber unit. Now this is a iconic scene of Darth Vader. It comes from The Empire Strikes Back. It's the moment where Darth Vader he's interrupted by video. General Veers is just here, Pete, and he's got a horrified look on his face, and you can see that in the screen at the back. You can see the picture of the horrified face, because initially, and this actually swivels around, which is really very cool for Darth Vader. So he would be facing this way, but I'm going to bring out the minifigure because I want you to see. This is there's a few Darth Vader minifigures out there. This is one of the better, if not the best ones, because it has prints on the arm, it has prints on the back, and it has prints on the leg. So you get the full sort of glory. And on top of that, if I take his helmet off, because this scene is known for the first time you actually ever see Darth Vader's face, and the horrifying way he looks, as we all know, has occurred because he's been in a bit of a fight on Mustafa. So this is not just his face on the front, because in the movie you actually see all the scars on the back of his head. They've also included a reverse print of those scars, and that's really the scene that you see him sitting inside the meditation chamber. The first view of Darth Vader, and really the only view you get of him, is the back of his head. You don't actually see the front of his head in this scene. You just see the back. You have to wait till Return of the Jedi before that iconic scene. So this is a gorgeous display piece. This has got playability function because you can actually change the meditation. But what you've got going on really is that you've got a display piece that you can set alongside your helmets, maybe a Darth Vader helmet. I can imagine putting some lights in here would really set it off. And of course, as always, it looks much better in person than it does on a box or in a video. You're going to have to get this one. This is an elegant display piece for the adult collectors and Star Wars fans alike. Look, I highly recommend it. I really like it. I'm really pleased with it. I was unsure because you think, oh, there's not exactly a lot of pieces in it, but it really just stands out. And I can't wait to put some lights in this. So that is set number 75296. It's Darth Vader's Meditation Chamber, an iconic scene with some really cool minifigures and some great attention to detail. Obviously, descriptions will be in the links below. And as always, if you can imagine it, you can build it.